Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the RX down-tone volume control settings on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So, as you guys can see, we are at the main page of our Canon remote UI. Let's select System Manager mode and here enter our remote UI access pin. So the pin for me is 1234. If you changed yours, then you guys can configure a new one in the printer. Let's click login here and now go to settings/registration. So now after we click it, let's go to sound volume control. Basically, there is no sound volume control settings in the printer, the preferences and add accessibility. So here, let's just click on edit. And here we will have our RX down-tone right here. So as you guys can see, it's off, on, or only when the error occurs. So I like keeping it on only when the error occurs. It's very good. And I also increase the volume to 3 because the TX down-tone is at 2 and this is at 3. And it's not that loud. So here, let's just click OK and those settings will be saved automatically. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.